Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below. In today's video, we're about to style and install this unit from Ashimary Hair. And the unit that I got is this 4x4 lace closure. The hair is a highlighted blonde. It's a 1B color and a highlight color, and this is how the inside of the wig is looking and all that good stuff. I got this hair in 26 inches. It is 250% density and it is in body wave. So y'all know I'm a lazy girl, so I don't like to do the ball cap method because it's too much work on me. I like to just put on my wigs and go. So I'm going to be using this Got to Be glued, and I'm just laying down my edges for prepping for the wig. So I'm going to put that under my wig cap and just make sure that everything is nice and slick back, and then I'm going to tighten the band on the inside of the wig just to make sure that I get a snug feel, because sometimes I like to wear a closure wig glueless, like if I just want to pop that wig on and go. So I did bleach the knots on this wig, because if you saw in the beginning of the video, the knots were a little bit dark and I wanted it to look more natural. Now I'm just going to put on some foundation powder on the lace of the wig. So I'm not going to use any lace tint because it's winter time. My shade is a bit off, so I just gotta go with my winter time shade. So I'm just using whatever powder foundation that matches me this time of year. So you could use that if you also change shades different times of the year. So after cutting off the excess lace, as you guys can see, like this definitely could be worn as a glueless if you just lay it right. But I'm going to be spraying it down later on, and right now I'm just going to create some baby hairs. We like to swoop to the doop over here. You don't have to do that, but we're a little bit extra with that. So I'm just taking this little flat iron and curling the hair up. Then I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to lay that baby down to give me like a fluffy type of edge look. So again, this is optional. If that's not your style, you absolutely do not have to do that. But that was the look that I was going for. Now for this hair, you guys know that a lot of times with bleached hair, when it's colored, it gets or it tends to look dry or gets dry. But with this hair, it stayed silky because I did wash the hair after I bleached the knots, and it was still full and just giving life. Now I'm going to be using this EBIN lace spray, and I'm just spraying that on there to lay down the hair. As I said, I'm not trying to do a lot. Lazy girl method all the time. Just spray that baby down and then take this edge wrap or elastic band for your frontal for the tension method, and that's gonna basically melt. Okay, melt your lace. It doesn't matter what type of lace it is, the tension method will get the job done. Now you can get this at your local beauty supply store. You can get it on Amazon, or you can get it on the website that you bought your wig on. So I'm just gonna create some light waves, you know, just to get some unification with some of the body wave in the hair. Like just give it a little bit more body. Okay, and I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. The only time I saw a little bit of shedding is when I did a little like plucking in the front, but apart from that, no shedding at all. So the hair stayed silky. You don't have to use any heavy oils on the hair, and it's just giving life. And that is all there is for this unit. It is melted, it is easy to style, and it's giving life. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. All the details will be down below for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella. Let me